This is the ESIC page from which we can create a slab for the ESIC. Okay, let's create it. So here is the name for the slab. We can define it as ESIC slab. Then is our ESIC bear by both employee or employer? So we can select it over here. Then the upper limit for the ESIC. Now current upper limit for the ESIC as per the government is 21,000. So I'm selecting here. Then if we want to deduct the fixed value in this ESIC slab, so we can add it over here. Now the tenure for the ESIC, currently I'm selecting as starting of this year to ending of this year. Now we can define the percentages for the employee ESIC, employer ESIC and admin ESIC over here. Now in that we can select the is ESIC calculated on actual, means gross, or on basic. Is it deducted like fixed value? Then we can select on the upper limit. So in that we can even select rupees or percentage. Okay, based on the currency it will be fetched over here. Now currently I'm defining as on the actual, percentages are 0.75 as per the government rule, and for the employer it's on actual and it's 3.25. okay, so we can create the slab over here.